Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Phantom wallet to securely manage Solana and other cryptocurrencies, follow these straightforward steps to set up and verify your wallet. Step 1. Download the Phantom Wallet extension for your web browser from the official Phantom website or download the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Install the extension or app and click on Create New Wallet to begin the setup process. Step 3. Create a strong password for your wallet. This password will be required each time you access your wallet, so make sure it's secure and memorable. Step 4. Phantom will generate a unique recovery phrase consisting of 12 or 24 words. This is the most critical step for wallet security. Write down this phrase and store it in a safe place. Step 5. Phantom will ask you to verify your recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Complete this verification to confirm you've saved your phrase correctly. Step 6. After verifying your recovery phrase, your Phantom wallet is created and ready to use. The wallet address is automatically generated. Step 7. To verify your wallet for certain platforms or applications, you may need to sign a message using your wallet. Follow the specific platform's instructions for wallet connection. Step 8. For added security, enable biometric authentication if using the mobile app, or set up additional security features available in your wallet settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.